Hey, what's guys? Back to Joey's Life. So on Joey's Life, we are gonna be. This is a big snowstorm. This is our second big snowstorm in a row. So today we're Friday, December 23rd. This is the weekend of the of Christmas. It's the Christmas weekend. There's no school today. Obviously, school was canceled because there's a big snowstorm. It's a mix of rain, slush. It's a mix of rain, snow, slush. Freezing rain. I'm running after my dog to get a glove. So it's a mix of everything. Snow, slush, rain, mix of everything. So now we're gonna go. Me and my dad pass a snowblower outside, but there's a lot of wind, so that's why I'm wearing a toque and a scarf and everything. But yeah, so we're gonna go do that. We're not gonna do the entire driveway because the snow is very, very sticky, and at the end of the road, there's a lot of snow. There's a lot of sticky snow, so we're gonna have to be careful with the snowblower, not go too fast. So yeah, I'm ready. My dad's getting ready. So let's go. All right, so I'm gonna go show you the shitty weather we are getting. Jesus, mercy Christ. So this is the weather. One place that we might not do with the tractor. One place that we might not do with the tractor is right here in the middle. So literally, one place we might not do with the tractor is right here in the middle because it's extremely compact, like you can see. You see I'm digging. I need to dig with my foot. My dad said the snowblower's probably gonna jam right here. And I mean, yeah, it would make sense. But it needs to be done. Cause look at the end of the driveway. There's a lot of freaking snow. And it's all sticky and slushy snow, like you can see. So it's a disgusting freaking weather. I'm impressed there's still electricity because the snow is like freezing on the electricity cable, so I'm impressed. Wait. All right. So my dad's gonna do the first shot because there's a lot of snow. You can't just take a little layer off, a little slice off. You have to fill up the entire snowblower because that's how it is. It's doing well right now. Hey guys, seriously, for the first time in my life, I saw the car spinning. This SUV never spinned in the snow. It's the second winter with this SUV, okay? It's our second winter with this 2018 Subaru Crosstrek. And in the 2 years that we had it, I've never seen it spin. The car was parked right here, okay? It was parked like right here. It was parked right here. And then my dad backed it up and put it behind the truck. When he arrived right here, that's where it started spinning. But then, not a lot, just a little bit. But when he turned and he went in here, that's where it really started spinning. So like, yeah. Jack, you good? Hey, come on. You're not going there. Come here. You're staying here. All right, let's see how the snowblower acts at the end of the road. It's acting correctly. It's acting okay. It's shooting, but not as strong as the other day. Because the snow is stickier than the other day. spinning. Handling it pretty well, actually. I'm impressed. You hear the tractor forcing. If you say, well, isn't it the snowblower forcing? Yes, but because the snowblower is connected to the tractor PTO, you hear. So that's when my dad arrived here. So my dad backed up all the way to here with the Subaru. And when he went to go in there, that's where it started spilling out. Like you can see, there's snow that flew out all around it. And like you can see here, it was just spinning. It's not even scraping the bottom like the other day. The other day the car was scraping the bottom and it was not spinning, but this is how nasty this stuff is. This stuff is so nasty that even if you're not scraping the bottom, you'll still spin. It's normal. All right. Hey, so those two. Dad? Now? What a nice weather for the Christmas weekend. So happy about it. The reason why I'm not putting my scarf on right now, well, is because there's no wind, so what's the point of it? But when I'll go on the tractor, I might put it, even if there's no wind, and the reason why is because, well, something flies back towards you. Go, Faith! One thing I hate about wearing a scarf is that my glasses are fogging up. I don't know if you can see, but my glasses are all fogged up. Well, not all of it, but what I hate about wearing glasses, about wearing a scarf, is that my glasses are just fogging up. That's why normally when I pass a snowblower, I don't put anything. Nice. Now it's at least cleaned at the end of the driveway. Well, that side still needs to be cleaned. But at least this side is all cleaned up nice, like you can see. At least this side is all cleaned up nicely and at least it's all equal to the road. Now, next up is this side. We're not gonna do it all today. Well, maybe if it goes well and we don't have any problem. Well, maybe if it goes well and we don't have any problem, we'll do it all today. We'll do it all today. But if we don't, if we see that tractor spinning too much, we'll do it tomorrow. The only problem is that they're announcing another 10 centimeters during the night. That's why. So the snow that's falling right now, it's gonna continue falling like this all night long. Look how high it's shooting. Look at this. This thing is strong, guys. It's not the smallest snowblower and it's not the biggest, but it's strong. Exactly like the tractor. It's not the smallest, it's not the biggest, but it's strong as hell. There we go. Actually working out pretty well, even in really sticky snow. I'm impressed. Ito din sa food jamming. Ito sa food jamming. December 23rd today. There was no school. Yesterday when we left school they said tomorrow school will be closed. All right, perfect, great, thank you. Again. Here goes my dad. He's coming back with the tractor. See that it's shooting the snow out in chunks. It's not shooting it out in a straight line, it's shooting it out in chunks. That's how wet the snow is. The dog found a tennis ball and he's just playing with it. Man. The snowstorm we got last... The snowstorm that we got last... The snowstorm that we got last weekend was a very, very good snowstorm. It was a very, very nice snowstorm. It was sticky snow with it was a mix of sticky snow with, it was just a sticky snow in general. This is a crappy weather. This is a crappy storm. This is wet snow mixed with slush, mixed with rain, mixed with freezing rain. Last weekend it was just sticky snow in general, which is way better than this shit. This is where we realized, oh shit, we're fucked. When we saw that the snowblower stopped shooting snow, we were like, oh, here we go. It's blocked. And obviously it was blocked. It took us about 20 minutes to unblock it. Yeah. That was a crappy weather. But alright, hope you guys enjoy. It's jammed. Ouais, mais laisse-la faire longtemps, là.
C'est impossible que j'en donne. C'est jamais tac, 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 faut que tu y attends tranquillement. C'est jamais dans le tuyau. C'est là, c'est un petit peu.
This is why I always film on these days. Very well jammed. I'll be right back. We're getting there, guys. What's later? Good. Very good. Alright, we're still when you crank up the RPM on a Massey Ferguson GC 2400, this is what it gives you. It gives you a snowblower that's able to blow through heavy wet snow with no problem. I told my dad before we came outside, just put your RPM higher. It's gonna make the snowblower spin faster. He's like, nah, that's not gonna work. What did he do right now? Put up the RPM and it's working. When you put up the RPM just a little tiny bit, what you guys tomorrow morning, but this spot right here, I'll have to show you guys tomorrow morning, but this spot right here is not equal, and then that spot's not equal, but just by stepping on it with the car and the truck and the tractor and the ATV, it's just gonna get equal at one point. Alright, let's clean the garage. There's no lights. I can't see shit. clean this side of the garage first. Just because there's lights. This is the worst kind of weather you can have. Wet snow mixed with slush and everything. I don't know if you can see, guys. This is how cold it was outside. My lasers are full of ice. They're frozen. Back the bucket? Seriously. It's something. Whew. I mean, yeah. That was something. Snowblower jammed. Slush everywhere. This is something, guys. But I just want to wish you guys Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, because, yeah, whatever. It's Christmas Sunday. Sunday it's gonna be Christmas, so yeah. Alright. Enjoy, guys. If you guys enjoyed, and see you next one. Peace out.